Welcome back, everyone. In DPT 100 and Project 7B, we're going to start slicing some of these parts and building G codes. And to do that, we're going to use the Ultimaker Cura slicer. Now, there's all kinds of slicers out there and softwares to build these G codes with. This Cura slicer is a really good one. It's free to use. It's great. And basically, they all work the same. Once you understand how to use this, you would have no problem adapting to other slicing softwares. So we're going to jump in and download this software. And the first thing I want to do is go in here to Google, and I want to type in Cura Slicer. And when you do that, you come up here, and right here it is, the ultimaker.com. Click on that. And we're going to, right here, we're going to download for free the Ultimaker Cura, and whatever is the most recent and current software, that's what we're going to get. So I want to download that one. Make sure that you know what operating system you're using. Are you using Windows? Are you using Mac OS or Linux? So I want to click on, I'm on Windows, and it's downloading right now as we speak. And they've got some ads on here showing some of their 3D printers. Ultimaker makes some printers, and they're really good. They're really good. All right, looks like that it is downloaded. So I click on the button down here, and it should fire it up. And I want to close this ad out. I don't need that. But we're ready now to install. And again, you got to go through and the agreements. And just next through all that, and it will take off installing. And it'll take just a few minutes, and after you've got it installed, you will be ready to start slicing and getting prepared to start 3D printing. Alright, so we should be completed, and I'm going to hit finish. And the software should be added in here. Alright, as you see, I went through that, and now add a printer. And you could add a printer, shoot this directly to a printer with an IP address or something like that. But I'm just going to go down here like you guys are, and I want to add a non-network printer. And you guys are going to be working with an artillery to start out with. That is what we're going to use to start printing with. And you can add whatever, printer that you have. I mean, you might have multiple printers, so you'll have to make sure that you choose the one that you're working with. And perhaps maybe not all the printers are on this software, but for the most part, all the ones that we have in my class, you can use the Cura, Ultimaker Cura, to slice these. And I want you guys to start out with Artillery Sidewinder X1. Next. And it gives you all of your bed layout sizes, and it also has the G codes set up. All machines use they're pretty much all the same, but some might have a few little differences between the G codes, kind of like CNC machines. They all are pretty close to the same in Fanuc control, but sometimes there's just little differences between the G and M codes. on some things. So that's all that we're talking about here, and looks good. So I hit next, next. We're just nexting all the way through. And then you can read through those if you like. But overall, this right here is our machine and its parameters. So we've got it all set up and we're ready to go. If you have any questions about downloading this, just please let me know.